High Level Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. What I'm going to tell you today, if you're beginning, is how to contact high level support properly. Because when I was starting out, the support wasn't that good, and there's ways for you to navigate the best people to help you if you've got a complex situation. So I'll show you that now. Just a quick preface. I would recommend in this moment in time to go through the live chat. Through my experience, I've been using High Level for a couple of years. The representatives of the live chat, they seem more specialized and qualified than the people on the Zoom call. I realized that the people on the Zoom call can answer basic questions, but people on the live chat, they're more specialized, I feel, just in my experience. But you can test both, but I prefer live chat, so I'll show you live chat. Okay, first thing I'd recommend is to download something called Loom. So just type in the internet, Loom, download. Okay, and then to download Loom is for free, and what it does is that you can quickly record your screen, record your voice, and then what Loom does is create a link for that video, and you can send that link to as many people as you want and get that video seen almost instantly. And High Level use Loom for you to show them your problems. So say if you've got a problem with a website, they would ask you for a Loom video. It's optional, but I'd recommend doing it because it explains your problem in the quickest way. Then once you download it, my screen's cut off, but there'll be an option at the top of your screen. Then there'll be an option to start recording in Loom, okay? And you can pick a specific window, you can put your camera on or not. And once you record a video, I'll show you what it looks like. So let's say I want to record this screen here. Start recording. So it looks something like this. So let's pretend I'm recording through Loom now. So let's say I've got a problem with my, so a problem with the sub account. I can't switch to the sub account. So I'll be like, oh my god, I can't switch to the sub account. Then once I've done that, you press stop, and it automatically creates you this link. Automatically, it creates you that link with the video, and then what you do is copy that link and send it to High Level. Now I'll show you where you want to send that. Now to actually contact the support and where you'll be pasting this link is you would go to need help, start chat, High Level support, go to the bottom. Now you can just go down to any of these four. So okay, then you want to pick if it's in a sub account for agency level or mobile app. So you pick a sub account. Then you just select what category the problem falls under. So let's say it's calendars, for example. Then you want to just pick calendar settings, whatever it may be. Then just describe the problem like I can't. Just pick it. Then just pick whatever problem like I can't. Now it may ask for your sub account ID. Now this is where you find your sub account ID. So go into a sub account. So this is where you find your sub account ID. You go into a sub account, you go to business profile, and this location ID you see right here, you copy it, and then you can paste it there. Now here's where you copy and paste the Loom link, which I showed you before. So remember, here's the video that we made. Just copy this, and then you can go here and paste it. Now once you do that, you'll actually get connected to a specialist which will go through your thing and help you out. Literally, it's live, so it's a real person. You're chatting to them one-on-one, quick. So I'm not going to go through that. But for me, there's always been a problem with the High Level support. Because High Level is pretty new, a lot of the specialists, the people that help you, quite a lot of the time, they don't know, and they have to create you a ticket. What a ticket is that they push your problem to a higher up person in the company to help you out, and they contact you back and forth through email. Now this can take a couple of days for them to process the ticket and then reply to you, then you reply to them. The whole process just to fix a solution can take a week, literally a week. Now if you don't want that, if you want instant support, this is why you join my affiliate program. Here's all the benefits you get. Look at all the benefits. I'll jump on a Zoom call with you. I've been using High Level for many years now. I know near enough everything to a high level. So if you want to jump on Zoom calls with me, you can literally book calls with me, message me if there's like a slight problem. You've got all the other benefits you see there. And my affiliate is probably the best place to get mentoring and help, simply due to the fact that it's the quickest. And I, not to sound arrogant, but I know more knowledge by using the software every day for several years. I've got a lot of knowledge that I can help you guys with that won't take weeks to solve. So this is how you would contact high level support properly. You make sure you got Loom and you got your your sub account ID is, and you can go back and forth. You can also jump on Zoom calls with them if you like. I don't prefer that because I just feel like they're not as experienced as the live chat people. But the best place for support is my affiliate program, which costs you nothing. Literally, the money you'd already give comes back. A portion comes back down to me. So there's no extra hidden costs. It literally costs you nothing, and you get all the benefits. That's it. Thank you.